This is my $1 million trading strategy for dummies. First thing you do is you go on the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour, you're looking for the trend of the market. You're looking for a bullish trend, you're looking for a bearish trend, or a balanced trend. Basically, if it's bullish, you want longs. If it's bearish, you want shorts. And if it's balanced, we want shorts off the top and longs off the bottom. Now that that's done, we go on to the 30-minute time frame and find our key levels. Basically, in the 30-minute, I'm looking for consolidation before a big rip down, or consolidation before a big rip up. Now, these will be my key levels where I'm looking to actually place a trade. Now, for the purpose of this video, let's say the overall trend is bullish on the 4-hour. So on the 30-minute, I'm looking for a move down into demand. So let's say the overall 4-hour trend is bullish and we're looking for long. So on the 5-minute time frame, I'm looking for us to push into demand for longs, or I'm looking for us to push into supply, break, and retest for longs. Now this is how I'll actually place my entry. So we come into demand and we're going to be downtrending obviously because we're falling into demand. So I'm looking for a structure shift. I want to see the market make a higher high and a higher low. Then I enter off the higher low. So if we enter in demand, right, we wait for the higher high and we wait for the higher low. Then I enter off the higher low and I target any kind of resting liquidity. To make this even better, I use level 2 in times and sales as an entry trigger. So if we're coming to demand looking for longs, I want to see a bunch of sell side absorption. Sell side absorption will look something like this, where you see a bunch of aggressive sellers who don't move price down. Now, also look for sellers to die out or exhaustion. Basically, when you see big sellers coming into the market, but as they go down and down into demand, they dry out and get smaller and smaller. If you comment YouTube down below, I'll send you an entire free 2-hour video on how to do exactly this.